The best web hosting of 2022 is now on the table, with 60% off deal. Grab it before it ends. You need to set startup share that is $2.99 for 3 years. That is quite the best option in the market at the moment. You will get there. One website option, 100 GB SSD storage, free and easy site migration, money back guarantee. After selection the plan you need to set up the domain and purchase it. If you need someone to set up your website as well, then I should consider you my gig on Fiverr, where put a gig. I will create WordPress website for Amazon affiliate, so you can give me order there as well. I will definitely help you out with 2 free plugins for Amazon affiliate.